Welcome aboard, travel enthusiasts. Today, we are embarking on a day trip to the vibrant city of Marseille, France. Nestled on the southeastern coast, Marseille is the second largest city in France and is steeped in rich history and culture. Its story began as a Greek colony over 2,000 years ago and has since danced through the ages, each period leaving its mark on the city's tapestry. But Marseille is not just about the past. It's a bustling urban hub that beautifully marries history with lifestyle. From the ancient Le Panier neighborhood to the contemporary architectural marvels of Euro-Mediterranean, Marseille is a city of contrasts. Now, what's on our itinerary today? Well, we're going to explore the 5 best places this city has to offer. From the iconic Notre Dame de la Garde to the bustling Old Port, we've got quite the adventure lined up. And don't worry, we'll be dishing out some local tips to ensure you get the most out of your visit. You'll also learn about the diverse transport options available for day passengers. Whether you prefer to walk the scenic routes or hop on a local bus, we've got you covered. We'll delve into the vibrant local cuisine because let's face it, no trip is complete without diving into the local gastronomy. And yes, that means getting a taste of the world-renowned bouillabaisse, Marseille's signature dish. You'll also discover how to book local tours using experienced guides who specialize in catering to cruise ship passengers. They offer a more personalized and independent experience compared to the tours booked via the cruise ship itself. Stay tuned as we dive into the heart of this magnificent city. We've got a lot to cover, so let's set sail and start our journey. Prepare to be swept away by the charm and energy of Marseille. As the locals say, bienvenue à Marseille, or welcome to Marseille. Our journey begins at the bustling cruise port of Marseille. This dynamic gateway to the city is a hub of activity, brimming with facilities for travelers to enjoy. From cozy cafes where you can grab a quick espresso, to souvenir shops offering unique mementos of your trip, there's something for everyone here. The port is also your launchpad to explore Marseille. For those eager to venture into the city, a variety of transport options await. Hop on a local bus for an affordable ride, or hail a taxi for a swift journey. For a more scenic route, why not take a boat ride from the port? It offers a unique perspective of the city's stunning coastline. And for those who prefer the convenience of a guided tour, many are available right here at the port. They're a great way to discover the city's highlights without the stress of navigating on your own. Before we continue, please help us with your support for our channel by liking this video and subscribing for more travel guides. Now let's journey into the heart of the city, exploring the top 5 places to visit in Marseille. First on our list is the iconic Notre Dame de la Garde, affectionately known as La Bonne Mère, or the Good Mother. Perched upon the highest natural point in the city, this basilica offers panoramic views of Marseille. Don't just admire the outside, make sure to step inside and take in the stunning mosaics. A tip for travelers, try to visit early in the morning to avoid the crowds and catch the sunrise over the city. Next, we journey to the beating heart of Marseille, the Vieux Port. Here you'll see a vibrant display of yachts and fishing boats, a testament to the city's rich maritime history. The port is encircled by cafes and seafood restaurants serving the freshest catch of the day. Our tip? Try the bouillabaisse, a local fish stew that's the pride of Marseille. You can easily reach the Vieux Port by metro or on foot from the city centre. Third on our list is the awe-inspiring Museum of European and Mediterranean Civilizations, or MUSEM for short. This stunning museum is not just for history buffs, but for anyone who appreciates modern architecture. The museum's exterior, a concrete web, is as much a work of art as the exhibits inside. Travel tip: take advantage of the free entry on the first Sunday of every month. Next, let's venture into the narrow, winding streets of Le Panier, Marseille's oldest district. Here you'll find a labyrinth of colourful houses, quaint shops and art studios. This is the perfect place to pick up a unique souvenir or simply soak up the local atmosphere. Our travel tip for Le Panier: don't miss the vibrant street art that adorns many of the buildings. Finally, we arrive at the Calanques National Park, a natural wonder just a short journey from the city centre. Here you'll find rugged limestone cliffs plunging into the crystal-clear Mediterranean waters. You can hike, kayak or even swim in this breathtaking location. Our travel tip: make sure to bring plenty of water and sunscreen, as the Mediterranean sun can be intense. Each of these locations offers a unique glimpse into the soul of Marseille. From the spiritual heights of Notre Dame de la Garde to the bustling Vieux Port, The artistic Museum and Le Panier to the natural beauty of Calanques National Park, there is something for every traveler in this city of contrasts. So whether you're a history enthusiast, a foodie, an art lover, or an adventurer, Marseille is sure to leave an indelible mark on your travel journey. And remember, these are just the top 5 places. Marseille, with its rich history and vibrant culture, has so much more to offer. So don't stop here, continue to explore and let the city surprise you. Each of these locations offers a unique glimpse into the soul of Marseille. Marseille is not just about the sights, it's about the experience. And a big part of that experience is steeping yourself in the local customs, immersing in the popular events, and of course indulging in the mouth-watering local cuisine. Let's start with the customs. Marseillais have a laid-back lifestyle, a reflection of the city's Mediterranean climate. The locals enjoy their siestas and late-night dinners, but don't be fooled by their relaxed demeanor. They're passionate about their city, their football team, Olympique de Marseille, and of course their pétanque, a boule game that's an integral part of life here. So if you're invited for a game, don't shy away. It's a great way to connect with the locals. Now, on to the events. Marseille is brimming with cultural festivities year-round. The Fiesta des Suds in October is a music festival that celebrates world music, while La Friche in summer is a haven for contemporary arts. And if you're here in December, don't miss the Santon Fair, a traditional Christmas market showcasing Provençal figurines. It's an event that truly captures the spirit of Marseille. And finally, the pièce de résistance, the local cuisine. Marseille is a foodie's paradise. Start your culinary journey with bouillabaisse, a traditional fish stew that's a staple here. Follow it up with tapenade, a tangy olive-based spread that's perfect on a slice of fresh baguette. And let's not forget pastis, an anise-flavored spirit that's the city's favorite aperitif. But the culinary adventure doesn't stop there. The city's North African influence brings a whole new flavor palette. Try the couscous and merguez, a spicy sausage that's a testament to the city's multicultural heritage. In Marseille, food is not just sustenance, it's a way of life. The city's bustling food markets are a testament to this. Marché des Capucins, for instance, is a melting pot of Mediterranean flavors. From fresh seafood to vibrant produce, it's a gastronomic extravaganza. So there you have it. Embrace the culture, savor the cuisine, and immerse yourself in the Marseille way of life. You're not just visiting Marseille, you're living it, even if it's just for a day. To truly experience Marseille, consider booking a local tour. There's something magical about exploring a city with a guide who calls it home. They can take you off the beaten path, into the heart of the city, where you can experience the true rhythm of Marseille. Booking locally often means smaller groups too, which can make for a more intimate and personalized experience. Plus, you're directly supporting the local economy, which is always a bonus. Now you might be wondering how this compares to the tours offered directly by the cruise ship. Well, while those tours can be convenient, they often cater to large groups and stick to the most popular sites. By choosing a local tour, you're likely to discover hidden gems and unique experiences that you might otherwise miss. So how do you find these local tours? It's easier than you might think. Check the description below for links on how to book local tours and save. We've covered a lot today, but our journey in Marseille is just beginning. We've explored the rich history of this vibrant city, from the bustling cruise port to the top 5 must-visit places. We've shared invaluable local tips, from the best transport options to navigate the city, to the unique customs, events, and mouth-watering local cuisine you simply can't miss. Remember, the heart of Marseille lies not just in its picturesque landscapes, but also in the local experiences. So consider booking a tour with experienced local guides who can offer you a tailored and unique perspective of the city. But don't stop here. The description below is a treasure trove of extra information, including how to book these local tours and save, along with other useful travel tips and our favorite travel guides. Before you go, be sure to check out the other amazing travel guides offered by Travel Day Trip Ideas by clicking on one of the links on the screen. Au revoir and happy travels.